We are live today in the city of Cardiff. We are going to be taking you around the city of Cardiff. Right now we are standing in front of the railway station, Cardiff Central. So we'll be taking you around the city of Cardiff and show you where you need to visit when you visit Cardiff. Just come with us. Make sure that you subscribe and like and share our videos accordingly. Just come with us as we take you around. Yeah, we are now live at the Principality Stadium of Cardiff. You can see me standing right in front of the Principality Stadium of Cardiff. So from here, we'll be taking you to other places as we promised you. So this is the stadium that you have been seeing on your TV, online. So we'll be taking you from here. We'll show you the street, what the magical city of Cardiff look like. Just roll with us. All right. So here we go. We are now at Quay Street. So we are going to take you and show you how the street look like. So come with me. Let us go. Yeah, this is Quay Street. Okay, that is the church, right? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is High Street. So we just get to High Street now. So we want just to go to this corner and see what is there. So come with me and see how all the places. So just come with me. So this is it. That is High Street. You can see it. So this is just a bit of Cardiff City, Cardiff Central. So you can see how the place is. I have some reasons why I call this place magical city of Cardiff. It's just a small town, but you have a lot to see here. So just come with me. I think there is a big church here that you really need to see. Yeah. Yeah, I've been walking past through this church most of the times, but I hardly see people going in here. So I just say that we have to show people what this church look like. So you can see the church. It's just very close to the Cardiff castle, and it's still close to the Cardiff train station and the Cardiff train station. So this is a very big church, as you can see the structure. So from here we'll be going to the Cardiff castle. So still come with us as we move. Yeah, here we go. This is where we end our shooting for today. For taking you around Cardiff, you have seen the Cardiff train station, you have seen the streets, you have seen everywhere that we really want you to see. We wish to cover more a lot of it, but as I said, Cardiff is just like a magical city that you can't cover everywhere. But right now we are standing in front of the Millennium Center. You can see it at the background. So this is Cardiff Bay. So this is where we are going to be ending it today. Please like and subscribe, share the video with your loved ones. As we have said it before, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section below. We will be very, very happy to respond to you. And if you have any city in mind you want us to cover, just drop your comment on the comment section, because we'll be going from one city to other. Like now, today we just finished with Cardiff. We have Newport coming, we have Bristol coming, we have Manchester coming, and others. So if you really have any particular one in mind, just drop your comments below. The one that have the highest votes, that is the one that will go first. So thank you, and we really appreciate. Cheers.